Hi, my name is Allie. Today I'm going to show you how to prevent comment spam on your WordPress blog. Comment spam can be really annoying, just empty comments with either inappropriate things or links to, say, hacked sites, sites with malware, that kind of thing. If you don't want this kind of comment spam, and I don't see why you would, one of the best tools you can use is called Akismet. I know it sounds like the sound you make when you sneeze. What it is a plugin. It comes installed with Jetpack. So if you go over to Plugins and Installed Plugins, you can check and see if you already have Akismet. In this case, we do. If you don't, just go to Plugins and Add New and search for Akismet. That's Akismet. And there it is, the very first one. You can just click Install Now. Or, in our case, we're going to go back to the installed plugins and just click Activate. Now, as you can see in the notice up at the top here, you need to enter an Akismet API key in order for it to become active. So let's go ahead and click on the link they give us. Just follow the breadcrumbs. And let's click the link here that says Get Your Key. Open it in a new tab. Keep things clean. And get an Akismet API key. You'll decide which plan works best for you. In this case, we're going to go ahead and go with the personal plan, since this is just an example. Put in some contact info. Now, over here on the side, it asks, what is Akismet worth to you? And you can choose how much you pay for Akismet. Since this is an example blog, we're going to just pay $0. But if you find this plugin useful for you, I would strongly suggest that you pay whatever you can, just to support the developers. You can check this box if you want some tips to be sent to your email on how to decrease spam. In this case, we're not going to do that, but we'll click Continue. All right, now it'll send us an email with that API key. If you want to see, here's what that API key email looks like. All you need right now is the API key right here. Copy that, and we'll go back to the dashboard. This is in Jetpack and Akismet configuration. Same place where we were when we clicked Enter Your API key. And we'll just paste it in this box right here. Now go ahead and click Update Options. There you go. Akismet is now active. I hope this was helpful, and have a great day.